10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We have.
Whoa!
Look at it!
Shot.
Where is it? I lost sight of it. Oh, yeah.
Right over there.
All right, guys, start running.
Yeah, nice. Well done. Well done.
That was our extreme. It's still coming from. I think it's coming over here. It's going over here. Get a video? Okay. It should be over here. Let's look for the cars. Woohoo! Yeah, David! David! High five!
Thanks. But first let me put the parachute. But first let me.
Ouch. But seriously, that did hurt a little bit.
Oh crap, my shoe came undone.
Yeah, me too. Seriously, that did hurt my hand a little bit.
My shoe came!
But
Warning! No one run! Or you'll smack us right to our
But really, it did hurt my hand a little bit.
Oh,
Who
sorry.
cares?
Yeah.
I remember seeing a kitty on top of a sewer pipe. On that white end on the top, you know. Now I'm gonna have to make you popular on YouTube, David. Was that our last launch?
Can't wait till you put this on YouTube. Maybe you can ask your dad.
That's gonna be the first thing I do after.
Yeah, maybe.
That's gonna be the first thing I do when I get home.
Get what?
Put the
Put the videos he's taking on YouTube. He brought his YouTube camera along. We're coming into the launch site.
I should bring this with me more often. Well, I guess I have enough time to fit in this extra rocket. I guess I have enough time to add this extra rocket.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the trees are not.
I can't even see it.
Zoom in then. Way behind.
Where is it?
Disappeared. Maybe it was filled with explosives. Right, David?
Yeah. I think we lost it.
Yeah. Well, what are we gonna do about it?
I can't see it.
It's gone. I lost it too now.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, you should have put a tracking device on that thing. A tracking device might work, and you'd never lose it. You could just watch it on video.
I guess this is sort of the thing you're looking for. Oh, thanks for the shade. Now I can find it.
Okay,
No.
kids, that was the last one. Yeah, we are.
We had one that ran.
Man, 4 minutes of video, David.
These right there, almost like parallel.
David.
Really went on like
David.
that.
David.
Parent of a cake when
This
the
just
Soviet tree
went
lost
on
its
for
color.
4 minutes already.
Hey, Alex, should I see the videos you took?
Hold on.
Right, you went through.
I have an idea. How about we review them in the van?